Guys, I've been very critical of the kill switch case from D brand in the past, and you guys have been asking me for an alternative. This is the GoJoy case here from the folks at JSAUX that gives you that full enclosure clamshell case with protective and ergonomic grips around the Joy-Cons while still allowing you full access to your device to charge, to store, or even put in the Switch 2 dock. It's made out of polymer and TPU material, giving you scratch resistance and shock absorption. Got a nice ergonomic grip, and when you store it in a bag or a backpack or luggage, it's not going to be impacted here as it's going to protect. And the best part about it here is it has a built-in kickstand that's way more durable, made out of anodized aluminum than the Killjoy Switch case did. With that said, before we jump into it here, the folks at JSAUX provided this to me complimentary and sponsored this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Let's unbox this, demonstrate it on the Switch 2, show you what you're getting yourself into. The GoJoy case here is very impressive. It comes with a number of features here that I think that you'll appreciate. It does come with some assembly, but you won't be disappointed here once it's all put together. This is everything that it comes with in the package. You can see here it's got this nice durable polymer case with infused foam here. You even have some slots for Switch and Switch 2 games. You have this nice little pocket here that does extend out. That's going to give you protection on those analog sticks. The back enclosure here is made out of durable polymer and TPU material around the edges. You got cutouts there for your I/O, the fan, charging port, volume rocker, etc. You also have the fans here and charging port. And then my favorite part here on the back is the anodized aluminum kickstand, allowing you to be able to set this up in multiple angles, being able to rotate this and place it in that preferred position. The Joy-Con grips are durable and infused with silicone and that same polycarbonate material. You can see they're grippy, and my favorite part here is they bulge out here to be able to fit the contour of your hands, especially if you've got large hands like I do, and it fits easily around the Joy-Con there, as we'll demonstrate. Placing the case here is very simple. You go from the top to the bottom and it will snap into place. It's got really easy attachments. You can see here it grips on those corners there, and you have it all the way up against the screen, but it's not going to push up against the screen protector if you've got one like I do, but it still allows you full functionality of all of the I/O. Let's go to peel off the Joy-Cons and attach them, left with the left, right with the right. You're going to want to align it here with these two lips. That's going to give you the bulk of your grip, and then you slide it into place. You do the same thing with the right Joy-Con as well. I really like how it gives you that extra ergonomic grip. It's really sleek in the hand, and it makes for easy attachment here back into your Nintendo Switch. You can see here it perfectly aligns. It still magnetizes, but it's not going to peel off, which was my biggest issue with the Kill Switch. I'm rocking it. There's nothing in the way of the magnetism allowing you full functionality and extra protection on the case. You can see here it still supports the dock, so if you wanted to, we can go ahead and throw it into the dock. It perfectly aligns. It even has nice grooves there, and it's still going to charge on that dock, which I think is really great. You can peel off the Joy-Cons and put them back on using the detachment buttons, not interrupting your gameplay and allowing this for a really sleek ergonomic build. And then lastly here, you can go ahead and rotate this kickstand if you want to hold it up. It's got multiple angles here to be able to give you that viewing experience, and it's much more durable than the provided kickstand here that is made of plastic rather than anodized aluminum. You can go ahead and throw on Switch games and Switch 2 games. I've got some of the best here, allowing you to take your favorite titles here on the go, up to 8 of them, and 1 of them obviously in your Switch. Placing the clamshell is really easy. You just go from the top to the bottom and it grips right on there. It press fits. There's no clicking, there's no grabbing, there's no extra pressure. It's just a nice press fit, especially for your Joy-Cons and grips, and also the screen here, making this a great travel companion on the go. The GoJoy case, I think, is fantastic. It's very rugged. It's shock absorption, it's protection, scratch resistant from the elements. The grips are great. They're nice and comfortable. They're much better than the Kill Switch, and it's much more ergonomic and practical to be able to use this here in your daily, making it so sleek to be able to add and place right there with no extra dock or funny business. With that said, the folks at JSAUX did provide this to me complimentary, and they sponsored this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Annie with Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.